Okay, I'm going to explain how to use the TI-84 Plus calculator to enter two sets of data and then create a scatter plot. And it's very similar to entering data before. So you turn on your TI-84 calculator and you press the Stat key and you press the Edit key or number 1 and you list your data in. So I'll write that down here. You press Stat, then you choose number 1, Edit, and then you enter your data. Now this time you're going to put your X's into L1 and you're going to put your Y's into L2. So for example 1, I'll let you do that. So our X's are going to be our age from this example 1, and our weight is going to be the Y's. Now if you actually want to make a scatter plot, you're going to go the actual scatter plot. So this is that was the data entry is going to be second, and you're going to go Y equals, and you're going to choose then number 1 and turn it on. And then it should all be selected. The default is the X list is L1 and the Y list is L2. So then you just have to go zoom number 9. So I'm going to do that right now on my calculator, which is zoom stat. And you'll get a screen. So I'm going to, and then you can press 9 and enter, and you'll get a screen, and then you can describe it. Okay. Okay. So after you entered all that data, L1, L2, and did the second Y equals, which is stat plot, and then you turned it on, and if it's not selected to a scatter plot, choose the scatter plot. It's a bunch of dots. It's the first one. And the data should be listed to L1 and L2. You'll get something that looks like this. So really, if I do this in red, here's your x-axis. This is your age. And here's your weight. Okay? And what we're looking for is form, anything unusual that doesn't fit the pattern. We're looking for a direction, and we're looking for the strength. So that's what you just read about earlier in the notes. So the form, basically, is it linear? Well, I'm not really sure here, partly because if I go down to strength, if I go down to this one, it's not very strong. It's very weak. It's not tight together in a pattern. The direction, well, if I knew the strength, I could get the direction here. Is it positive or negative? Okay. And anything unusual? So it seems like that there's, I mean, it's all over the place, really. I can't tell if it's going to go this way up, which would be a positive strength, a positive direction, excuse me, or if it's going this way down, which would be a negative direction. Okay? It's not very tight. It's quite weak. And so, I mean, it could even go like this to some degree through it. And if I'm trying to get most of the data points, then if I get rid of that one, it's probably more like this. Okay? It seems something like that. So I really don't think age and weight have any real pattern, because you've got some that you're very old and light. You've got some that are fairly old and heavy, although this might be the unusual one. Okay, it doesn't, if you go, because it is on the older side right here, older side and quite heavy. So maybe there's something unusual. The rest of them are a little bit lower. But here's a really young person that's heavy as well. Okay, and then you have young person that's light and an old person that's light. So I've kind of got this square going all over, and none of them are tight together. So I really would say it seems like there's no relationship, or no, let's put it back here. No strong relationship